To take a portrait photo with a backdrop on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus Ultra, first open up the camera app. Then in here we tap on portrait. So at the bottom here we swipe across and select portrait. Then we tap on the effect button right here on the left hand side. At the top here, you want to swipe across and choose backdrop. Now you cannot choose the backdrop color. The camera will automatically select a color based on your background. So whatever the background color that you have, the camera will attempt to use that color. Okay, so you can select the strength of the backdrop. Then this will work best when there are people in the picture. So say here position face in circle. So I'm going to switch the camera to the front, and then we're going to look at the camera and then take a picture. Now you can see here the pictures will apply some effects after you have taken the picture, and it will apply this blue, kind of blue, white or purple background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.